everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I thought it'd be fun to play around with some color and test out these two new palettes I got. I picked up, both of them are Makeup Revolution. This one is Mermaids Forever. This is a really good palette if you're trying to delve into some color like I am. Super pretty, and they're pretty pigmented, I have to say. I think these are like $15 a piece. And then this is the Flawless palette. So I really like the way this look came out. So yeah. Oh, don't mind this mess behind me. I'm doing a haul next, and I wanted to go ahead and have everything set out behind me, so there wasn't like a 30-minute interlude between videos today. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this look, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment with what you want to see in the next video, and check back on my channels Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Central Time, because that's when I upload new content. Alright, let's get into the video, guys. Alright, so I already have my hair pulled back, and I'm gonna pull my makeup over closer. So we're gonna start with the Makeup Revolution Flawless palette. This does have a sheet with names on it, but I'm just gonna start with a pretty medium brown shade. Trying really hard to make sure I'm in frame. My shirt keeps messing up. It's fine. So I'm just going to take this on a fluffy blending crease brush and pretty much cover my entire eye. Yeah. I'm going to take a lighter one, just a lighter taupey brown, and kind of blend that out and up into my crease a little more. And then with this very, very darkest brown, I'm going to take stamp it on too, and then blend it out. Yeah. And then this just matte black shade on the other bottom corner, right hand bottom corner. I'm going to take like the smallest amount you've ever seen of this, like super tiny, and blend that and focus it in the outer corner. If I sound all gross and snotty and like, it's because this entire nostril is stopped up today. Not sure what I did to deserve this. I've spent the whole day thinking about how nice it was to be able to breathe out of both nostrils, so yeah, no. I'm just going to clean off any fallout that might have just happened. And then I'm going to take just any flat liner brush and take that very darkest brown and throw it on my bottom lash line. I cannot be the only one that cannot talk while they're doing that, so I don't stab myself. Then I'm going to take the black and just on the very, very outer edge. Noise. So now I'm going to take just any small little brush. This one's handily already stained, because now I'm going to go with the Makeup Revolution Mermaids Forever palette, and this green is happening today. I'm going to put it on pretty much the entire inner eyelid. I'm just loading up my brush, going ahead and tapping out excess, and then I'm going to spray it with the Physicians Formula Insta-Ready Setting Spray. You can use water if you don't have setting spray. You can use Fix Plus. You can use pretty much anything but hairspray. So, ooh. Okay, sorry. So you're going to keep on packing this on and adding it. Oh, I'm digging that like the grave. That is pretty. Okay, so we're going to calm down with that for just like 5 seconds. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to add just like the tiniest little bit on my inner lash line on the bottom. We're going to go back in with this, or any, because I just threw it in the floor, any crease brush, fluffy little crease brush. And we're going to go back to the Flawless palette, to that very, very super light shade right there. And I'm just going to add that in the crease above that green and kind of fuse everything together. Oh, I like that. Okay, sorry. We're going to stay in this palette. No, we're not. We're going to go back to the Mermaids palette. And I'm going to take this really pretty frosty white right here. And I'm going to put this in my inner corner as a highlight. And I'm going to throw it under my brow bone. Sweet. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off for just a second, and I'm going to do this side the exact same way, and I'm going to add liquid eyeliner using my Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. And then we're going to do some mascara. I'm going to layer L'Oreal Lash Paradise and Maybelline Lash Sensational, and then we'll be back. Alright, see you in just a few minutes. Guys, so we're back now that I've done my other eye. I applied mascara and it just wasn't beaten like I wanted it to, so I threw on some false lashes. I used the Kiss Sultry lashes, my last pair. Kind of sad. These are super pretty. They're very dramatic. They're like when I don't have my eyebrows up, they almost go up there. And I used the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. I don't know about y'all, but like my biggest pet peeve is trying to wait for my lashes to dry. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see the finished eye look. Hopefully get you in zoom. Focus. 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 Maybe out a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So, it's just a super simple smoky eye. Nothing really crazy there. So, the last thing we have to do to finish out this look is, of course, our lipstick. I am going to use the Maybelline Bold Color Sensational. This is in 760 Gone Greige. I love this lipstick. It is super, super pretty, so I'm not really a lip liner person. I have like a fuzz on my lip. This is just a really pretty, cool tone, very, very, very cool tone look, minus, you know, the pop of green. I do really, really enjoy this look, and if you guys did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Leave me a subscribe and a comment with what you want to see in my next video. Check back on my channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Central Time, so that's when I upload new videos, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.